I
Yeah.
daily chart uncle daily chart le.
Ow.
Yes. Say in lakalini move lane.
Yeah, in the Kalin, no.
So team njani kumele break of range, break up.
Yeah. In either maybe Polish or Polish breakout because it's sideways overall.
The
Oh,
whole almost the whole day. Ne?
yeah, from Tolo late, yesterday late. So that's why I was hoping for breakout. But I show signs, maybe that's about that range. Oh,
No, judging by how much people have been waiting here, the amount of
yeah,
orders that might be above and below should mean that someone will come in, someone big will come in and do something there too.
you think?
Yeah, you don't know who's it. You know, when you look at a range like this, think of it as a person who has $1 billion in their trading account, a big hedge fund.
Yeah,
What are you thinking in terms of here's an opportunity? But that's how they make money. They have to
because
see where other orders are to take out those orders. You know.
mara wabona so it's the best like unga trade anyway because it range and
Anga na
from
la full up island, wana hema na load.
load
Hey,
ko ka wa robala
naras.
naras Osha naras
Tlamol fumbele umwek.
yeah
Badla
ile
umwek.
na face breakout
No, mina nati buy already ta daily ngati teka hi 1 o'clock.
okay so wena trade ya gago ya early vandag wa bo ko kwetso estate
Yun, kwendla pala yun.
kwetso I wanna sell somewhere la today 2 or 3 somewhere la
Ke tlo eletsa ko ke ya share if nya ko share in case. I hope o kry nomfo.
yeah
Bengifuna ukubona la kwenzakaleni. Hey, since sesivule ekuseni la hey.
so busy
Yeah, must.
what what reasons did you have to take a sell to take a buy
Hey, I've developed my own sophisticated technical strategy. I'll just show you right now how it came about in my head. Yeah, man, it's the weirdest thing ever. There's no support and resistance, but it's based on like trend continuation.
when trading
Yeah,
okay
the good reason it works, and the reason I personally challenge a life Tomo is because of inner good risk management parameters guiding it on.
okay okay yeah so where's a break from a range do
It
we
went
need to
up.
wait for it to close yeah it's up
Okay, that's cool. You never know; it could go up, and someone else could just come in and just bet that market into like zero. Who knows? You know.
yeah because looking at it maybe here it's a spike for support maybe intraday support it might have spiked support Meaning maybe more sellers were right here because they were looking for a spike, maybe for an impulsive play to continue down. But unfortunately, it spiked maybe that supports looking to go up.
A daily chart only.
But even though, ow. So
No,
maybe
lang si
daily.
daily. You look in it. Hanggang ko M1.
Yeah.
Okay.
160 pips so far.
You see, I also had a buy position key open man. Let me stop sharing.
Yeah, maybe if you can share so we can see how you placed your buy today.
All right, I'll think share.
Yeah.
Koki.
Yeah.
Bro, le kae na ka sno thura. Ra ka sno tlogelo ka se
Okay, man.
ke
One if little said.
no ke jwang re ka se really two. Ra exclude. Sorry, and it's
No, corner kick it. Score.
but my one ile setup ya mina la.
Yeah, share.
And then can you see it?
It didn't stop.
Okay. Give me one share on screen.
Ke ngwana Jesu. Osify. Yo. It was this position, and then I also had a weekly trade in which I was holding Kaikwala a mistake while he's thinking that okay, on your state you might have hit stop loss. Oh, almost hit stop loss on your state. So
yeah.
let me show you how it was quickly. My side on. So okay, I'll just look from here where my crosshair is. I would consider this a high based on recent old data, right? Or let's start from here. This is the low of December, and market pushed up, made a lower high, and double bottom low, and then we made a new high through this week, right?
Yeah.
And I just want to see, like, basically how Raul would do stuff. Like, I want to see us test this previous point, whether we do it like a hammer or whatever. I just want to see a test close up. After this, I caught this buy move right there, and stop loss below the candlestick, and I want us to two, and that's the same thing that happened there. So
so history repeats itself. You're trying it again.
yeah, I didn't see it, or it's happening again. So we made a new high, right? Push back and close below this lower high, but this hammer here, white saver from that trend line trading strategy group, it's called the piercing line or whatever. You add these candlesticks together, they create a hammer, right? So I put my buy here, and then my stop loss was below, and then so 1:2. So it continuously M15 or weekly chart or whatever. I just keep on doing the same thing, and I'm risking around like $1,500 to make 3,000 on each trade. And
So because you were looking at this from the daily time frame, does it mean you were waiting for candle close every time you had to take a trade, or you impulsive went in?
Yeah, day. And if it's a week, the week trade, the weekly trade was running good. I want to logo editor trade, and then click you take a week until it does something. Like it's either 1:1, you have to wait.
Yeah.
So if you find another setup on an H4 the next day, they all accumulate. And
the same thing.
Yeah, the week I passed my FTMO challenge, they ended up diva $12,000 the position.
from this very same trading strategy, like this trading technique.
From this move right here to this one, this hammer right here again.
Yeah.
It's so weird, like because of I'm making these places from my head. So it means that it's not really the strategy, it's just that kin over
It's the
something
mindset.
okay or one, and then there's not
Yeah.
really okay. We made a new high again here, ne? Naka again, I hammer in and I load similar positions on each and every time frame. I skip an hour after I've taken a trade, and then I go H4 if there's a setup, H1 there's a setup, or M15. That M15 I do a 1:3. I risk 1,500 to make it around 3.6 USD. And then I have another position which is another 1.2. So I split them in two, like, but they all must accumulate to 1% risk.
Accumulate one. Yeah.
So ele nngwe ba 1:2, e nngwe ba 1:3. And then yeah.
Also, so risk reward strictly 1:2.
On the higher time frames, because of it takes long. I had a
Yeah.
1:3 here. By Friday, and it's so sharp still, and I was like, So I saw that, I was like, let me just tweak it around and just. So when I tweaked the 1:2, it just happens that the win rate I got him, it was like 66% win rate from the strategy one.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you swing like you do it, ne? I've seen on our swing. When you swing, obviously your take profits are long, and it means you're open to risk, right? So
Yeah.
we all catch up anyways, because of if you swing and then we're already break even say 9, and then that one trade hits your
One
1:20 risk to reward, we are back together. Oh, here you are, we all arrived. 1+1 is 2.
Yeah.
You can call it whatever you want, so we still get there end of the day.
Yeah. 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 So so in this way, dude, that helps you in a equivalent way because it's strictly speaking to your risk reward and your
Yeah,
discipline. After 1 to 2, you don't care what happens. After 1 to 3, you don't care what happens.
you don't walk
Yeah.
away, man.
Yeah, because you have to walk away even though you made something.
Walk away. I'll just spell my password or FTMO right now. I just wanna see a trade I took.
Yeah, yeah. Gogi will maybe just share how you took the US stage today.
Bro, I can't go over, but then someone to
Yeah, like
break
it is
down.
like, yeah.
I dumetse go share. Ke tlo stop sharing.
Uh, uh, Loma.
Don't even know where to start. The fun perfect. If I want to lay back home down, so I shouldn't say
Fella.
Hello, Ngala. Bona kena re fundile di account mo. Ngale bro. O tlhela ka e botsa ka nako, that's why o bona. Make sure that's why sa kena.
Oh.
Le nna a ke yo sure if o teng or wa bona.
Yeah, if I then I
Go na le ba
Oh, you're
ke
there, man.
2018 ke ko tlase nga ndlela ke bona ba. Ko tafoleng tsele tse.
Let's one as screen.
It started sharing. It's a loader. And then reduce
Because
ka order, so ko ke tsole nne reduce ko pele CEO o idutse ko moraga rena. All right, Mr. Senior Copy. Let's see what you have to say.
Well, wait, Neil, show you the next one. Okay, I don't know if it's going to be similar to Elite Ringling, but then from my daily, ke bone ntho e bitsa kane one of this ka Tuesday. That's
Yeah,
right.
yesterday.
So then I don't know if you can kill it by more. Yeah. Let's look up by more one. Yeah. Well, I can show you why I can kill it by L. So then my approach is on daily for hour. I draw my major. It's a gray. And then I can it. That's where I draw my minor, my intraday. Same old, look left. And then for the my plan says if I'm taking a buy entire higher low. So then give only a higher low more on 5 minutes, which is here.
Yeah, and yeah, see it.
Only a higher low. So enter here, stop just below zone of entry. So around here, and then TP, obviously previous high, which was here go 11,900.
And it strike that was it yesterday. So
Yeah, gone to it's slow, not 12, I mean 4. I mean, if you see at around into 1:30, and then just wait for because if Frank I'm on to what I do is gamma a rejection on higher time frame. So I wanted this week for H4. That's what I look for. Internally, I saw trade. Like I'd look for a week like this, and then go down, go lower time frame. Yeah, Biosaka overall was bullish, so that's why I can kill it by two.
Yeah, Mara, Obana, even though it wasn't from the zone so in terms of
No,
maybe the pattern,
yeah.
in terms of maybe looking for patterns, it was just maybe something like maybe falling wedge or
Bro, it's that one not activity loads.
yeah,
Let's
like
say.
even though because like
Yeah.
from 5 minutes, 30 minutes and 5 minutes, we were slowly like having like that bearish depletion. Momentum nature more drop from where you started buying.
Yeah, well, next up consider on to we
Yeah.
will go what got
I go
experience.
now. Yeah. Next week, needs to be the record 5.
5 minutes, yeah.
I wanted to ask you, like when you're explaining your strategies, so you didn't speak about the wedge, and I have heard the workouts of wedge.
Like the falling wedge, rising wedge, the
Yeah.
flag. Yeah. And obviously I wanna like the pattern, so
Yeah.
It's best to execute it from breakout, wabo. So it depends if maybe get trend line breakout, if get maybe previous high, previous low, zone. It just depends on where you execute. But what's important is if you see a pattern and you see a breakout or you see a confirmation, you just go for it because you'd be comfortable at that time. Because Radibon the pattern kaofela, but where and how we execute it differs in traders. So
Yeah.
so like this falling wedge. So yeah, could get so
If in
wabona yona eya 5 minutes every bonang. Wabona
this one.
first bullish, yeah, first bullish
Yeah.
candlestick.
Yeah, it would have
Wabona
been an
first
entry
bullish.
for someone.
Yeah, manje ke tlo nka ko second candlestick because I now have a confirmation wabo, or we have a bullish engulfing candle and we have another bullish candle close, meaning that third candle was going to be my end, regardless of what's
Oh,
happening.
Which is
On
similar,
top,
you know. And then
wabo.
it makes our strategies be like there's really no
Yeah,
strategy, it's just risk management.
it's just how you enter and how you risk. Wabo.
You don't know why it
So
went up. Like you can throw all these things and it's like it's not the truth to why it went up.
why it went up, yeah. So
Yeah,
like
ne?
Rakabona like in
Mara
total trade.
currently not for to range.
Yeah, currently we're in a range and we break it out and can
Re-
break it in very.
re tseng
Yeah.
Sifiso ka di order. When someone will see an opportunity to trigger all those orders, and this market will impulse strong because of
Yeah.
both the orders on the sell and buy side have been triggered. I had
So
Matlaka or something he saw today about creating a working pebble in the pond, like just like someone can just come in, no, and because
and
of
just
the purpose, yeah, I wanna do this, and let me just bid the
yeah,
market up and bid it low.
yeah. So thing, what currency pair can we look at?
Bro,
Awful yesterday,
ke ntse ke ratang eng
hey, it's John Silver, hey, Kizamile,
e
hey,
mnate.
I
Bona,
want everyone
ke le ning
hey,
kan
Silver,
include bona restore what then.
hey, Silver,
But then would include holder 4 days. First TP in Nkaiba more.
Silver ya
Yeah.
tsamaya, Silver, wona nkako ko left
Second
e itseng.
Nkaiba.
Hey,
Yo, Friday.
Oh,
Friday, bona Friday in for last week. Bona this movement.
oh, yes, yes. And ke
Range
di
e.
market tse ne di pushwa gale tsa di limit up tse ke tsona no sa di bona di move tsa
yeah.
teng or ka tshwana.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no matter. Se ka enjoy, no.
I great thing you have found a way. Maybe ke background e gray ya o tshwana le Raole e etsang gore motho a e gone se nna ke user white ka mo.
Kill
Amara.
Raul.
Approach ka eh. No mas straightforward.
Silver onang di impulse tsa yona. Yes, yes. E gone tsa di nkals tse 3 in a row.
Oh, damn.
Babo. Since getting a shot, the can on a lower high, which was here. Because nearly more major zone. So it's a lower high. SL above. TP.
After 1 hour.
Baba,
Faragata for
Wabana, okay,
yo.
so
Yeah.
Wabana Zonio is from daily, ne?
Yeah, 4 hours daily.
Mobani, my nunule fendi the tambalimo. Kevacha, it's carry. What's the point of having more than one zone if you now have a major zone which you want to sell or buy if maybe it breaks out or if it fails to break sell from it? What's the point of having other several zones to confirm many trades if you have a zone which you know that once price gets there, you have to do something from there. I understand, because now sell a winkile because it goes on for sell up your.
Eh?
I understand, like sell a winkile go sell. It's
Yeah,
because
not no make us throw his own more.
oh
His
And
his
then
way is
say
like
it's like 5
swing
minutes.
trading as well, right? Because of you look for like the opportunity to on a lower time frame to just make a smaller stop loss.
yeah, yeah. Because once you have a zone,
And then
why do you need other zones?
Yo.
Ah.
Taboya come.
Important kombe mcheka USD CAD night waliana man.
Yo, koketso no bone trade idea fanda gela USD le ke shareileng ya buy.
Yeah, nilanga USD CAD.
Yeah.
USD Canadian is like Gauteng and Limpopo currency.
We can
That's
analyze it into it.
ka 2020. Hey, hey, this market, God bless it, boy.
Carbon week.
Yeah, this is
I
what
wanna
is
see.
Swiss o ka e gona because of inyaka o swing hey.
Yeah.
La bona ke no bona ntse ba e o ka iswingang mo break of structure and retest.
Ke le for lengwe tja gae da go tlase ka May da go left falling wedge again
Eva.
ka second engulf more falling
Yeah.
wedge and then engulf and then second one you put your stop loss down there, you just decrease lot size it's 0.01.
Because traders so a di batle like o kene o tswe di batla like o tlo lebale le gore o kene ko di-trading tse so if maybe like you sell, if you're buying low, obvious target must be the previous high. If you're selling high, meaning target must be the previous low. Also obviously also dude intro it's position I hold was target the high.
Yeah, no, but I'm a watch listing.
Go fella
Yeah,
with like
cool.
different ways of
quality.
like executing, but the
James.
best thing here is risk management. As long as
Okay, so you're gonna stack pay, shebe like it's gonna know.
No, bona
Yeah.
backtest.
James, I wanna stack your drop.
we don't know.
Yeah, so maybe the hourly candle close, confirm.
We can wake up
Because so
tomorrow,
far,
it'll go 20,000. We never know, man.
in a millionaires.
Oh, you never know. You never know, man.
But like,
O roboditse motšha gore tlo tla mo Ramotshego.
There's no way you will.
Thapele ka tšwa re tlo ehla nestek ra o chance mfano. Last year khona look this time. Ke e ehlile.
Amara mo
range in important, it can close. For it to close over candlestick. Is it above
yeah,
or
I can say
below?
complete.
Yeah.
Yabona lo muntu obhizi la, obhizi.
Yeah.
Lo muntu obhizi la. Impulse lo itholang ka usani he.
Hey.
Pella, it's so nice to have money. Like imagine you can just come in, no marketing, right? Bida up, right? Chisa ra kwala di sales arena, but wa kena ka di paira ule di raisa ka kwala ka. Hayi umuntu uyoyeka le chat le makusekwenzile lokho hayi ke ga o ka tlogela.
Yeah.
Just ke no throw di support ke ra gore ke kene ke sele ko support ke nya ko re jinji ke sele. Ke isele o no ra e ehlile market wa tampa di sales le ka ofa wa baya wana ba bone ke ye tshunagala no wana ba batho ba reng
Okay.
bona from that to that.
Inkiledisela.
And then there are some people who are losing positions and like, oh, let me go in back again. And then what does that each one
Okay.
like about what is really going on behind the scenes? Someone wants to like really do a huge position here.
No, man. Regardless of if Opaile at this support or you sold at this resistance.
No,
Like SL.
imagine the psychology. If you are in a trade right now, you like you're thinking too much. That's what's born. And it's happening to like millions of people.
A lot. Most especially South African traders.
FOMC.
Instagram. Instagram.
Hey,
Instagram traders.
once you know like price, how does really price move, like
La bona mara kgetsagalang.
ona line le nkare ke line e trileng ka di technical.
Okay, so price etse GU ke batla bona strength sa dollar if it does have strength or
GU
not.
King.
Kele
GBP.
Yeah. Dollar can be strength because they drop.
Because support taken is a daily offer.
But like you're rejects at the same time.
Yeah, but then he is Nikbana like if he say he and then I would have made a decision once he say but then wanna know the last time if he say one of them
drop up. Yeah, and
so
then
possibility of
next take ke late le green food ni late le red no asgale.
wow. Included trader.
Bona
So everyone
so
to all the traders who sold at that
no.
breakout.
Look,
Look.
Isogile man.
And the buyers who went in early. It also took them out.
Wow, watching this is nice, man. Yo.
It's a GJ.
Is not like Uduti sidelining or Shebile.
By the court side.
When I see GU man.
And guess what? Like 90% is going from gold to Nasdaq. Whatever come, and the person who's bidding up GBP USD is not the same person who's at Nasdaq or the same bank, or it's not the same. It's different people. Yo.
Maybe because meeting it on me.
Okay,
Yo.
Yeah.
Or klo wana di set up the rana chwanga.
I hope like it's so regardless of numbers. The minute go tloba le speech, go tloba bua positivity. So market go to respond to his positivity. So I won't know like next day gets
Yo. Ndimu, I'm almost at the 1:1 katili. Yebo.
Damn.
And guess what? We all didn't know it would buy. It just happens that it bought. What's the reason? We don't know.
And now
morning buy regardless of now.
And then now we might be looking for a target of the like market open Monday, higher Monday.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ah,
Yo,
say Shopee, like
ke
by the end
tshwere
of the
pie.
day.
Yo, re tla rasa. Ke tshwere pie mo motele mo from da o trailing da from week ile mathomo ya re
Eh,
ke le sheretse screen hey Modimo. Hey,
eh,
yo pass challenge. Yo. Modimo. Ke tshwere 1:1. No, e lata 1:2 yaka, which is like 3K USD. I was like I didn't even know.
Yo, Pesi, yo.
Hey, Modimo. Yo.
in a day, nje, just one trade.
Ga fela M3 le cash per month re sa taete ke di one today o no tshwara saka first installment sorted.
Wa bona ha e buang ka yona koketso ra.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that
You shall
H1,
know.
that M30. Impulse e lo tswang. Now people will start buying. Like people will start buying, and whoever already created that buy movement is safe to just adula e tlogele market ke le kodimo.
Oh,
Pele,
wow.
Pesi.
I can't wait to be a
Yeah,
hedge fund
pele.
manager. Yo, yeah, this would be nice to do. Yo,
Say Shayla wash him this.
Okay, bon. Straight for the yatswa.
yo. So right now,
Ano
go
tayo?
etsagalang ka ra ko Wall Street. Ba busy ba botsisa, hey, who's gonna take it at 112, 113, 114, 100? O mongwe wa click buy.
Yo, so what you now maybe like it cover like Tatsile and more for trade.
Ta itholele ra
Yeah.
mo e tlo yang teng, maybe ka boya, who knows.
You
No,
don't
no,
know.
Sheva. Pela, it's been breaking the previous highs
Yo,
more weekly for it.
the whole week,
Sheva week,
the
week.
whole of this year ile kodimo.
Yeah, like last month of what, like the whole of Jan.
Wabonino. Va.
Yeah, bullish trend of what it's moving in high highs and in high lows at the current price.
That's wonderful to see, you know.
Yeah, gents. Yeah, re tla bona, okay. Re tla bona ka hosane, okay, wabo.
Esha, fell into
Yeah,
Or la chaser.
yeah, ish. Yeah, re tla bona more. Yeah. Because no one gore
Yeah, I protective
wa
trade.
executile wa neng ka